I am Mrs. Ghodke PV, working at Swami Ramanand Bharati Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Tasgaon. Today we continue the new point from topic biomolecules, that is nucleic acids. Two nucleic acids are present, that is DNA and RNA. Both these are important. DNA is important because it carries the genetic material, that is hereditary material, and RNA is important in the protein synthesis. These are the specific characteristics of DNA and RNA. So, see, this is the animated structures of DNA and RNA. We study in detail both these structures one by one. Then see the molecular structure of DNA and RNA. DNA is double helical structure, and that is double stranded, and RNA is single stranded. So the two types of nucleic acids are there: deoxyribose nucleic acid, that is DNA, and ribose nucleic acid, that is RNA. First we study the structure of DNA molecule. This structure was put forth by the Watson and Crick also. They says that DNA is double helical structure. It is long chain made up of alternate sugar and phosphate molecule. On these strands there is alternate sugar phosphate molecules are present. The sugar present in DNA is known as deoxyribose, therefore it is known as DNA, which is attached to phosphate group, and thus it forms a regular repeating phosphate sugar sequence on these strands. A base attached to sugar phosphate chain, and together this unit, that is the base and sugar phosphate group, is together forms a unit which consists sugar, phosphate and a base, is called nucleotide. Sugar, phosphate and nitrogen bases. The nitrogen base and sugar of a nucleotide, that means sugar molecule and nitrogen bases, these are known as the nucleoside. And in a nucleoside, nitrogen base is attached to carbon number 1 of the sugar, and when a phosphate group gets attached with carbon 5 atom of the sugar molecule, then a nucleotide molecule is formed. That means that carbon 1 and carbon 5 of the base attached, these are important. So see the double helical structure of DNA, which having major grooves, minor groove, hydrogen bond. There is weak attachment of the hydrogen bond. Then diameter of this is 20 angstrom unit. Length is helix is 3.5 angstrom unit. 34 angstrom unit or 3.4 nm, and the single helical is 0.34 nm or 3.4 angstrom unit. So see this structure again, that is the structure of DNA. It consists a single strand which having several thousands of nucleotides. One molecule contains thousands of nucleotides, more than, and which are based one above the other. One nucleotide, another, like this helical structure is formed, and phosphate group of lower nucleotide attached with carbon 5 of deoxyribose sugar moleculeच्या कार्बन नंबर 5 बरोबर 5th कार्बन ॲटम बरोबर deoxyribose sugar अटॅच झालेली असते with the phosphodiester bond and with 3rd carbon atom of deoxyribose sugar, म्हणजे formation 5th and 3rd carbon atom. Single long chain of polynucleotide, number of nucleotides are there, that is several thousands. Polynucleotides of DNA consist two ends. This is the 5' end and this is the 3' end. Thus two ends are there. These are called 3' and 5' respectively. The single polynucleotide strand of DNA is not straight. This is not straight, but it is helical in shape. DNA molecule consists of two helical polynucleotide chains which are complementary to each other. And the two complementary polynucleotide chains of DNA are held together by weak hydrogen bonds. Adenine, that is the nitrogen base. There are two types of nitrogen bases. We see next point. Adenine always pairs with thymine and guanine pairs with cytosine. Adenine-thymine pair consists of two hydrogen bonds and guanine-cytosine pairs consist three hydrogen bonds. अशा पद्धतीनं डबल बॉन्ड आणि ट्रिपल बॉन्ड अशी अटॅचमेंट अरेंजमेंट हेलिक्समध्ये फॉर्म झालेली असते. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू वॅटसन अँड क्रिक of DNA structure or molecule, it consists of two strands and these are twisted with each other to form double helix. These two strands are in opposite direction as already studied 3' and 5' end, and one turn of helix of DNA measures about 34 angstrom and it consists pair of nucleotides and the distance between two nucleotides is 3.4 angstrom, and the diameter of DNA molecule has been found to be 20 angstrom unit. See in this diagram, this is the diameter of DNA molecule. This is the distance between 3.4 and 0. That is 3.4 angstrom unit, and length of helix is 3.4 nm or it is 3.34 angstrom unit. It also shows the strands, this one and this one, hydrogen bonds, major groove and minor groove. Like this DNA molecule is formed. Then also study the nitrogen bases. There are two nitrogen bases, purines and pyrimidines. A purine is always paired with pyrimidine. That is, there is pairing of purine and pyrimidine. A purine is always pairs with pyrimidine, not single one. Pyrimidine bases are single ring. See, this is the single ring compound and therefore these are known as monocyclic. And these pyrimidine bases are namely cytosine, uracil and thymine. हे तीन प्रकारचे pyrimidine बेस आहेत नायट्रोजन बेसमध्ये. आणि प्युरिन्स जे आहेत these are double ring, that is the dicyclic. दोन रिंग्स असल्यामुळे डायसायक्लिक असं म्हटलेलं आहे त्याला. and these are adenine and guanine. आता मगाशी आपण बघितलं की adenine pairs with thymine. Adenine always pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. तर अशी प्युरिन आणि pyrimidine पेअरिंग झालेली असते. आणि हा बेस रेशो जो आहे ह्या पेअरिंगचा ॲडेनिन आणि थायमिन, ॲडेनिन प्लस थायमिन अँड सायटोसिन प्लस ग्वानिन इज जनरली रेशो. हा जो बेस रेशो जो आहे इट इज सेम. प्रत्येक स्पेसीजमध्ये तो वेगळा असू शकतो. DNA डिफरंट ग्रुपमध्ये रेशो जो आहे तो डिफरंट असू शकतो, पण काही वेळेस तो जो रेशो आहे बऱ्याच एक्झाम्पलमध्ये रेशो जो आहे तो रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट. म्हणजे जोही काही रेशो असेल तो कॉन्स्टंट असतो. त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर न्यूक्लिक ॲसिड्स आपण बघतोय. दॅट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ RNA. That is, in most of organisms, RNA is not found as hereditary material, but in certain organisms like tobacco mosaic virus, or it is commonly known as TMV, it is hereditary material. काही मध्ये एक्सेप्शन्स आहे, ते हेरिडिटरी मटेरियल आहे. अदरवाइज RNA is not found as the hereditary material. The nucleotide of RNA have a ribose sugar. Therefore, it is known as the RNA due to present name of that sugar, that is the ribose. And in DNA, it is deoxyribose. Like DNA, RNA also consists of polynucleotide chain, but single-stranded. In all examples, RNA is single-stranded except retrovirus and wound tumor virus. It is double-stranded. The majority single-stranded है. In few examples, or there are exceptional cases like retrovirus and wound tumor virus, it is double-stranded. In RNA, uracil, that is the pyrimidine base, uracil substitutes thymine of DNA. म्हणजे RNA मध्ये थायमिनच्या ऐवजी युरेसिल असतं. And RNA molecule is usually folded structure and it's self-folding. In certain regions or entire there is foldings, and these foldings helps in stability of RNA molecule. Then we study the different types of RNAs. That is, there are 3 types of RNA. Messenger RNA, it is commonly known as the mRNA, or it is also known as the template RNA. Second type is ribosomal RNA, or it is simply known as the rRNA. And the third type of RNA is transfer RNA, commonly known as the tRNA, or it is also known as the soluble RNA. Type is messenger RNA, or it is also known as the template RNA. That messenger RNA is having the linear structure. That means one end shows the 5' and another one is the 3'. 5' end shows initiation codon and 3' end shows termination codon. Initiation codon is formed by the triplet that is known as AUG. 3 nitrogenous bases are there, adenine, uracil and guanine. And at the 3' end, that is the termination codon, shows a triplet that is known as the UAA. अशा पद्धतीनं ट्रिपलेटच्या स्वरूपात पूर्ण मेसेंजर RNA फॉर्म होतो. थोडक्यात बघा, it carries the genetic information for arranging amino acids in definite sequence. इथं definite sequence फॉर्म झालेला असतो amino acidsचा ट्रिपलेट्सच्या स्वरूपात, आणि तो जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन कॅरी करतो. इट इज लिनियर, सरळ रेषेत आपल्याला हा mRNA दिसतो. And that mRNA molecule carrying information to form a complete polynucleotide chain that is known as the cistron. Definition बघा, mRNA molecule carrying information to form a complete polynucleotide chain that is known as the cistron. Size of mRNA is related to the size of message it contains. जितका मेसेज असेल तितकी त्याची लेंथ असते. And the synthesis of mRNA begins at 5' end and it ends at the 3' end. It carries the genetic information from DNA to ribosome, which are the sites of protein synthesis. म्हणजे रायबोझोम्स कडं ही इन्फॉर्मेशन कॅरी करून नेली जाते DNA कडनं mRNA मुळे, आणि प्रोटीन सिंथेसिसमध्ये ह्याचा रोल महत्त्वाचा आहे. देन नेक्स्ट, दॅट इज द सेकंड टाईप rRNA, or it is also known as the ribosomal RNA. See in the diagram, the ribosomal RNA is also linear, but Sometimes it is coiled or foldings are formed, and at the foldings there are the pairing of the base pairs with the hydrogen bonds. These are the sugar phosphate backbone is formed, nitrogen bases, but when there is the folding of the strand, that is single strand, that is forms the pairing of the bases. rRNA forms 50 to 60% or 60% part of ribosome. It accounts 80 to 90% of cellular RNA, and it is synthesized. Total RNA is synthesized in the nucleus. It is discovered by the Kurland scientist. It gets coiled here and there due to intra-chain complementary base pairing, and it provides the proper binding site for mRNA. mRNAला बाइंडिंग साईट मिळतं ह्याच्यामुळं ड्युरिंग प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, म्हणजे परत प्रोटीन सिंथेसिसमध्ये ह्याचा रोल महत्त्वाचा आहे. त्याच्यानंतर तिसरा टाईप आपण बघतोय tRNA. इट इज नोन ॲज द ट्रान्सफर RNA और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज द सोल्युबल RNA. tRNA molecule is much smaller, that is the smallest RNA. tRNA is the smallest RNA consisting 70 to 80 nucleotides. It is also single stranded, and due to presence of complementary base pairing at various places, the shape is formed known as the clover leaf, and thus tRNA can pick a particular amino acid. See the clover leaf like model of tRNA. The these four parts are recognized as बघा. First, DHU arm, that is dihydroxyuracil loop, amino acid binding site, anticodon recognition site, anticodon loop or codon recognition site, and ribosome recognition site. In anticodon loop, this is the anticodon loop, unpaired nucleotides are present. These are the unpaired, and these are called as the anticodon, which pairs with the codons present on mRNA. ट्रिपलेटच्या स्वरूपात mRNA वरती जे कोडॉन्स आहेत त्याच्याबरोबर पेअरिंग होतं. इट ऑल्सो शोज 3-5' एंड and helps tRNA helps in elongation of polypeptide chain during the process of translation. That translation process is the important step in the protein synthesis. Thus, RNA plays an important role in the protein synthesis. Thank you.